How to reset DeLonghi Dinamica Coffee Machine. Follow these steps to reset your DeLonghi Dinamica Coffee Machine to factory settings. Step 1. Turn on the machine plug in your DeLonghi Dinamica and press the power button to turn it on. Wait until the machine is fully initialized. Step 2. Access the Settings menu. Press the menu button on the control panel. Use the arrow buttons to scroll through the options. Select Factory Reset or Reset to Default. This may vary by model. Step 3. Confirm the reset. Press OK or the confirmation button. The machine may ask you, "Are you sure?" Select Yes to proceed. Step 4. Wait for the reset process. The machine will reset to its original factory settings. It may take a few minutes and the machine might turn off and on automatically. Step 5. Set up the machine again. After the reset, follow the initial setup instructions, including selecting the language, adjusting water hardness, setting coffee strength and preferences. Step 6. Test the machine. Run a rinse cycle to ensure everything is working properly. Brew a test coffee to check if the machine is functioning as expected. Note: if your model does not have a factory reset option, refer to the user manual or try unplugging the machine for 15 minutes, then restarting it. Regular maintenance and descaling can help prevent issues with the machine.